Hello, and today's day out I am here. Swindon and Cricklade Railway, s&cr. It's a heritage railway north of Swindon and goes all the way nearly to Cricklade, and it's been here for a few years now and they are expanding. Now one important thing I will mention, although they do have disabled parking bays, the website was very difficult to find anything to do with disability on it. The only paragraph that I found was regarding mobility scooters and the fact that they don't have a rule. It will basically be up to them on the day to decide whether your scooter is too big or too small or whatever, appropriately. If you're in a wheelchair, then no problem, they will accommodate you. But mobility scooters, obviously, because they vary in size, they are saying that they will make a decision based on that. So we're going to go up and see if we can go on the train. That'll be fun. Right, here we go. So from the car park, we'll go down. Gravel. We love gravel. So I'm not sure where we go, but we will see. Tickets. On sale in the gift shop. So we go this way. This is Blunston Station, which is basically the home of the railway. Gift shop. Is that the gift shop? No. Gift shop. Down here somewhere. There's disabled toilets as well. Gents. Ladies. I don't know, that's weird. It was alternative line to the main line which Brunel built, and was in competition with that line, and they weren't very happy about it. It has a website, and I'll put the link down below. Now today I think they're running diesel engines. I think this is probably more than 5% degree angle, but we might be able to get up it. Seems alright. Yeah. So we are here. Blunston. So we have to wait for the lady to come and open up the ticket office and shop. I'm not sure what time it is. It must be about 10 or 10ish. Oh, it's 10:15. I won't get up that low.
You won't. I've got to get that. Hey, wait a minute.
Sorry, do you want me to move?
No.
I'm not staff, I'm a member of the public who arrived
I'm
early.
not open properly yet.
Alright.
Yeah. You'll get on in a minute.
Rampy thing.
Oh, yes.
A little rampy.
And be careful what I say, because some people, because I arrived early, don't realise I'm a member of the public arriving early. They think I'm a member of staff because I'm sitting here.
Well, you can be a member of staff and serve in the shop.
Oh.
my ticket because they're going to be
Yeah.
bored in a minute.
One.
Yeah, just one, please.
Sorry about that.
You don't do a concession rate, do you? Concession? Yeah. Yeah.
Sorry about that. It
That's
might be,
all right.
when you comes back, it might be done.
It might be done, yeah.
Sorry about
All right,
that.
Lovely, thank
All
you.
right.
Lovely. Okay. Yep. We've got a ramp for the thing. It's
Have you had that in there before?
I've had it on the West Somerset and the East Somerset, so it should be all right. Oh. Trying to get them. Oh! We've
You're going to make it on this one?
oh, bottom. Crikey, bottomed out then, didn't we?
Yeah.
Bottomed out on the top.
Yeah.
Crikey. Throw backwards. It is very, very steep though, that's the trouble.
Well, that's the standard design. I what they got on the other railways.
I think they had a longer ramp, so it was less steep.
Right, hang on, I might be able to...
That was scary.
Well, no, it's bottoming out.
It's getting to about there, and it's both wheels are off the ground, so it's like pivot.
Yeah. It's heavy to lift it back up.
Oh yeah, you wouldn't be able to lift it.
You can't actually walk up at all.
Well, that's a big step thing, isn't it? From like
Could you walk up
oh
at that?
it's a bit steep, yeah.
I was thinking if we can go, you see them. Yeah, it might be a little bit of a delay. We're trying to work out somebody getting a little scooter on. If you want to get on, you'll think you've got your... Yeah, okay.
Yours is all right. You'll go on there easy. Oh dear. So where is the ramp then?
It's up at Hayes Knoll.
Hayes Knoll.
I
Oh.
think it's in the DMU, I'm not sure.
Oh.
We've got 2 pairs of those, that's all. So these are the ones that we've been supplying.
Mm,
They're supposed to be the right ones.
Yeah. But they are very short.
They're not designed for scooters.
Mm.
That's the thing.
'Cause the one they had in West Somerset was a longer one than that. It probably came out to about where your
Yeah.
foot is, and it was less angle. So it's
yeah, even our
like,
single ones only come out to about there. We've got
yeah,
a set of 2 separate ones here, a bit
Yeah.
longer than that, but not a lot.
yeah. Because
Anyway,
right.
leave it with me and I'll see if I can find something if you
Mm.
can't make it on. Sorry about that.
All right. Well, that was highly unsuccessful, and the actual scooter got to the top of the ramp just inside the door with a little bit of help, but I mean it's quite a steep ramp anyway. But the pivot point, so when it was on the top of the ramp, and then the scooter got to the top of the ramp and then was sort of pivoting both wheels off the floor, both sets of wheels off the floor. But as he said, in wheelchairs would be probably okay, although it is really steep. I'm sure that's a shorter ramp than normal, but you know, scooters, who'd have them? But they do have a longer ramp somewhere else apparently, so they're going to try and sort it out. Otherwise I can't go on it, and now it started raining as well, so I've got rain coming.
We'll try you with this one.
Right, oh, they had one of those at East Somerset Railway.
Did you get up it all right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, he gave me a little bit of a push, but and it's British Railways. Ah,
Stick a finger underneath.
right. So
Yeah.
let me line it up, and then if you be ready to, right, we'll go after 3, 2, 3. Oh my goodness me, we made it.
Oh, brilliant. How's that?
We made it. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Right, I
You're
need.
going to be getting off anyway.
No, I'm not. No.
Okay, so you get back here.
Yeah. Where is it going to though?
So we're going down there, back up there, then back to here.
Yeah. No, I'm staying on.
Right.
Okay.
Is it okay to go down there?
Yeah,
of course it is, yeah.
As long as you don't come too far back. 'Cause you
Right,
can
because
Let me just, we'll shut the door a
the
minute.
buggy's in the way. So I'll reverse down.
Alright.
Yep. Ah. So they've got an area here where you can have wheelchairs. There's sort of a galley arrangement over there. Well, there we go. So we're on, and the ramp that they had was the old style. If you watch the East Somerset Railway vlog, then you'll see that they pulled out this old metal ramp, and it's the same one, so it's British Railways, so they obviously pretty old. And I jokingly said last time that they ought to get a new one, and he said no, the new one's broken. So we are on, and we can actually sit properly in the seat. We've got the oh, these are saggy seats. Ah. I wonder if we can. Well, there's only about 4 people on the whole train. So it's I don't know, it's probably going to the end of the line and then all the way down the other end. That way, I think. Oh, look, there's my car. It's, So, oh yes, I was going to tell you about the ticket. There you go, that's the ticket.
I've totally forgotten about that part. It's been there for so long.
Yeah,
actually,
yeah.
you know.
Because they had one of those in East Somerset,
Yeah.
and they had a new one that broke, and the only one that was working was the old style. And they said, I jokingly said, oh, you need to get a new ramp, and they said, no, this is the original, same as that one.
Yeah. The other one I don't think we would have done anyway because it's got quite a deep channel.
Yeah,
So it's two separate ones.
yeah,
But it's quite deep, so what's
Yeah.
another problem? Anyway, we succeeded.
we're on.
Yeah.
So the ticket, I was telling you about the ticket. So the ticket is concession rate. When I looked on the website, it was £8. It was for an adult, and but I paid £5 because I asked for a concession. So there's £5. But there is actually space in here. It's not the same as West Somerset, where they got properly designed spaces. But there is seating here for having a wheelchair and people sitting down on proper chairs. So it is possible to go with your friends and family. And it's just basically a carriage, a normal carriage with seating in it, and very sparse. So let's enjoy. So it's I think I read it was a 5 miles round trip, I think. So it's comparable to the East Somerset. East Somerset is 2.5 miles. This is 5 miles, but they are actually extending it further. So they're gonna make it longer. We're probably going about 5 miles an hour, 10 miles an hour. And that's all we're doing, so it takes forever. Going to we seem to be slowing down. The speed limit is 5. We've got a speed limit of 5 now. 5 that way, and I think it was 15 that way. So we've slowed down even more now. And there is a little stop. Yeah, this is as far as they go. So this is Tor Valley Halt, and this is one of the ones that they've added in to make it longer. Right, well, there we go. We've come back to Blunsdon. This is where I get off, having done both ends of the line. You end up having to wait for 10-15 minutes. At each end they put the engine at the other end of the train, and there we go. So I'm going to get off now. Okay, here we go.
Yeah.
Should be right on the way down.
Well, this is a wonderful thing. So.
Isn't it just?
How's that?
Thank you very much. Yep, very good. Thank you. So then they open the gate down here, which is a crossing, so they allow the train to come through. Ah. There we go.
Morning.
I can feel it making coffee.
Oh, you feel it coming okay?
Well, there we go. That's my day out in the Swindon and Cricklade Railway, Heritage Railway, north of Swindon, commencing at Blunsdon, 2.5 miles, and round about 1 hour or so for a trip both ways. And you can actually get off and do it all day. You can ride up and down all day for the same money if you wish to. And the other end, there's an engine shed that you can go and look around if you wish to. Anyway, that's the end of my day. I'm off to get some lunch. So I'll catch you again very soon. Hope you enjoyed it, and bye for now.